Hello, folks. Is it only Russia where Russian is spoken? What is Russian like? What is its importance? Let us find the answers. Russian, an East Slavic language predominantly spoken in Russia, is the native tongue of Russians and an important Indo-European language family. It served as the official language of the former Soviet Union and maintains its status in independent Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan. Additionally, it functions as a lingua franca across various connected regions. With a staggering 258 million speakers globally, Russian holds several notable distinctions. It reigns as Europe's most spoken native language and the most widespread Slavic language, covering vast expanses of Eurasia. Moreover, it ranks 7th in terms of the number of native speakers and 9th in total number of speakers worldwide. Russian has 33 alphabets. Russian's distinct features include its use of the Cyrillic script and its phonemic differentiation between soft and hard sounds. The Russian alphabet has 33 letters, 20 consonants, 10 vowels, a semi-vowel consonant, and 2 modifier letters. It is written from right to left. The language even extends its influence beyond Earth as one of 2 official languages aboard the International Space Station. From a historical standpoint, Russian traces its roots back to Old East Slavic, spoken during the era of Kievan Rus. It shares linguistic ties with Ukrainian, Belarusian, and Rusian, forming the East Slavic branch. However, it has been influenced by Church Slavonic, as well as Western and Central European languages, along with languages from the South and East, such as Uralic, Turkic, Persian, Arabic, and Hebrew. Russian is classified as a Level 3 language by the Defense Language Institute, requiring around 100 hours to gain intermediate fluency. The United States intelligence community considers Russian a hard target language. Out of total Russian speakers, Russia itself accounted for 137.5 million speakers, with the Commonwealth and Baltic countries totaling 93.7 million. Eastern Europe 12.9 million, Western Europe 7.3 million, Asia 2.7 million, the Middle East and North Africa 1.3 million, Sub-Saharan Africa 0.1 million, and Latin America 0.2 million. Additionally, the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand together had 4.1 million speakers. Hence, Russian stands as the 7th largest language globally by speaker count, following English, Mandarin, Hindi-Urdu, Spanish, French, and Arabic. Russian holds official status as one of the 6 languages of the United Nations, emphasizing its importance in international diplomacy. In Belarus, Russian holds the status of a second state language alongside Belarusian. However, in Estonia and Latvia, Russian is considered a foreign language, with contentious debates over its role in education and public life. Similarly, in Lithuania, Russian lacks official status. In Moldova, Russian's status as the language of interethnic communication was revoked in 2021, reflecting changing language dynamics in the region. In Ukraine, Russian is a significant minority language, although its usage has declined in recent years, particularly following Russia's invasion. Outside the former Soviet Union, significant Russian-speaking communities exist in the United Kingdom, Germany, and the United States, with sizable populations in cities such as New York City and Los Angeles. In Asia, Russian serves as a minority language in countries like Armenia and Georgia, while in Central Asian nations like Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, it enjoys legal recognition and co-official status alongside the respective national languages. Overall, Russian's influence extends far beyond its native speakers, shaping geopolitics, culture, and international relations globally. Despite challenges, its significance as a language of communication and cultural exchange remains undeniable. Russian holds significant official status in numerous international organizations, including the United Nations, International Atomic Energy Agency, World Health Organization, and UNESCO, among others. In the digital realm, Russian ranks as the 2nd most used language on websites after English. However, its dominance on the top 1,000 sites trails behind several other languages, including Chinese and French. Russian language has been used for encoding systems in computing, with KOI-8R initially designed as a standard encoding. However, the introduction of new encoding standards, such as MS-DOS and Microsoft Windows, have led to a diverse landscape of character encodings. Linguistically, Russian's development is characterized by figures like Alexander Pushkin, who revolutionized Russian literature. Despite political and ideological challenges, Russian is still a force in scientific and technological spheres. While the collapse of the Soviet Union initially led to a decline in the prominence of Russian, recent trends suggest a reversal of this decline, with the world recognizing the significance of the global Russian population. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos on languages, please subscribe our channel.